Hey there, outdoor living enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on design trends and tips. Today, we're bringing you over 50 stunning outdoor seating design ideas for 2024, with a special focus on using wall curtains to elevate your space. Whether you have a small patio, a spacious deck, or a cozy balcony, we've got ideas that will inspire you to create the perfect outdoor oasis. Let's get started. That's a wrap on our 50+ outdoor seating design ideas for 2024. We hope these ideas have inspired you to transform your outdoor space into a stylish and comfortable retreat using wall curtains and other innovative design elements. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing home and garden design tips and ideas.